Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to administer potassium intravenously via Piggyback. First, always confirm the physician's order, paying close attention to the prescribed dose and concentration. It's crucial to assess your patient's current potassium levels and kidney function before proceeding. Then, gather all your supplies, including the correct potassium chloride solution, a secondary Roman IV tubing set, and an infusion pump. Proper dilution is absolutely critical for patient safety. Potassium chloride is typically diluted to a concentration of 10 mg in 100 milliliters of solution, or 20 mg in 100 milliliters, depending on the order. Remember, never administer undiluted potassium chloride directly into a vein. After dilution, clearly label the Roman IV bag with the patient's name, medication, dose, and your initials. Administering potassium too quickly can be dangerous. The infusion rate should generally not exceed 10 mg per hour for peripheral lines or 20 mg per hour in a central line with continuous cardiac monitoring. Closely monitor your patient for any signs of hypokalemia, such as muscle weakness or an irregular heartbeat. Also, check the Roman IV site frequently for irritation or infiltration. Once the infusion is complete, thoroughly document the administration details, including the dose, rate, and patient's response. It's important to recheck the patient's potassium levels as ordered by the physician to ensure the treatment was effective. Finally, educate your patient about any potential symptoms they should report, such as tingling or numbness, after receiving the potassium.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.